Hello friends, this is Dhruvi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I am going to share something really interesting. We'll make our basic outfit look more stylish, more classy and more good and more amazing. So I'll just share few tips here and there with you guys. So stay tuned till the end of this video and you'll get something new, amazing, interesting to see. Yes, ऐसे भी अच्छा लगता है. Your basic outfit looks amazing, but when you can make it more classy, more amazing, then why not? So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, yes, normally I look this. I used to wear something like this always, but then I figured out few things. So how we'll style? First, what you have to do is just in your t-shirt. Yes, just tuck in your t-shirt inside your pants and it will automatically look more classy and your body shape will come. And yes, if you have tummy, then also you can in your t-shirt, it depends on your pants, you have to just wear high waist pants for that. Now the next thing is that just tie a belt over that. It looks very classy. Yes, पहले मुझे लगता था कि बेल्ट सिर्फ जीन्स लूज होता है तो ही पहनते हैं, बट नो, इट इज़ अ स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट. यू हैव टू वेयर इट जस्ट टू लुक मोर क्लासी एंड गुड. Next thing is you have to wear earrings. Yes, jewelry, extra jewelry look really amazing and it adds on to your style statement. So just wear earrings and then a neck piece, a choker neck piece which I am wearing. It looks amazing. Don't forget your neck piece. Then obviously a kada on my right hand which I always wear and a watch on my left hand. Now this is my look, but a look can never be completed without heels. Yes, heels gives literally a good transformation to your look and your style. Yes, you can just compare your look with heels and without heels, but trust me, with heels it looks more amazing and you look more stylish, more classy and superb. Now the last thing is that sling bag. Yes, sling bag, first thing, it is useful. You can keep your cell phone, money, wallet and a lot of things inside that. Second thing is that it gives a style to your outfit and to you. Yes, it is a part of your style statement, so having a good sling bag is necessary. And yes, the look is ready. If you want to see more such looks, do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and it was something really useful and interesting for you guys. Don't forget to hit like to this video and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon. It's free, so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Yes, that was all for today. Bye bye.